Hey y'all, hey, it's Amanda here, and today we are going to unbox my March Petit Vour box. It took a little longer to get here this time because of everything happening in the world, but it's finally here and we're gonna look inside and see what I got. So, let's dig in. Here is the card this month. It's a very cute illustration in these muted tones with flowers and bees. It's very cute. The March 2020 beauty box. The bees are buzzing, flowers are blooming, and with spring comes new beginnings. We're showcasing powerful products that are perfect for the start of the season and the start of a new non-toxic beauty kit. This month, treat yourself to a bouquet of fresh vegan products, a flexible styling jelly, a long-lasting eye pencil for sensitive eyes, a roll-on perfume with a seductive scent, and a cleansing coconut water micellar tonic. Okay, let's go ahead and get a look. Is this focused? There we go. So the first thing I see here is the Pacifica Coconut Water Micellar Cleansing Tonic. And this is a deluxe sample size. There we go. I have actually never used a micellar water, so I'm very excited to try this and see how it goes. So let's see. This size retails for $5. Makes sense. It's sold at Target. It's fairly affordable. Simple cleansing that requires no water or rinsing, made with fortified coconut, calendula and grapefruit waters. That kind of worries me. Grapefruit is very sensitizing. This tonic helps capture and lift away dirt, oil, and impurities without harsh rubbing or over drying. This is 2 ounces. So that's one I'm actually pretty excited to try. Next in here, we have this cute little pump bottle with rose gold. This is the Momi by Modern Minerals Styling Gel. And so let me show you this up close because it's very cute packaging. Come on, focus. There we go. Cute little design. So this size is 30 milliliters and retails for $22, which seems a little steep. This is not very big. This innovative jelly stays flexible and maintains movement, allowing easy styling and no frizz finish. Pump a small amount into palms and apply evenly to damp or dry hair, perfect for all hair types. Now that is a steep promise. I'm very interested to see how this actually performs, because my hair has a tendency to do whatever the hell it wants, whenever it wants. Some days it's curly as all get out, some days it's kind of flat like it is today. So very steep promises being made there. Next, I believe this is probably the eye pencil, which eyeliners just don't excite me. They really don't. But here is the packaging. Let's see. Can we focus on that? What is this brand? Alima Pure. There's a lot of writing on this packaging. Come on, focus back on me. There's a lot of writing on this packaging. So, Alima Pure, Natural Definition Eye Pencil Crayon. Okay, I think that's just in a different language. And this is in the color Coffee. So I'm assuming it'll be a dark brown, but we'll see. Let's read the description. It says this is 0.04 ounces, and this, I'm assuming, is the full size. Retails for $18. A long-lasting, highly pigmented natural eyeliner pencil filled with soothing natural oils, waxes, and chamomile extract to protect the delicate eye area. This eyeliner glides on smoothly and lasts all day. Alright, so let's see. Does it glide on smoothly? Yeah, that's pretty smooth. And as assumed, it is a dark brown. So I hardly ever use eyeliner pencils in this form, but I might keep it on hand just in case I feel like experimenting. If not, it'll probably end up leaving my collection in a month or two and going to a friend, but that's that. Then the last item in here, Inkling Scents. So I'm assuming this is a fragrance, which can be hit or miss. It all depends on what you like and what you don't like. And so I will say it is a nice deluxe size relative to fragrances that come in boxes like this. Oh shit. It's not like a little inky dinky tiny one, which is nice. You can actually get a full several days use of this. Well, this will probably last more than just several days. This will probably last a while. So you can really get an idea of whether you like it or not. I have a lot of trouble with those little sample ones that they send sometimes. Maybe not this box, but like you can get them. It's freebies from Sephora or whatever, because I feel like you don't really get to know the fragrance that well just from that little sample. But that's me rambling, as I usually do. So this is the Inkling Scents Roll-On Perfume in the scent Sultry. It's 5 milliliters. This retails for $15. Seems a little steep to me, but whatever. Apply this rollerball perfume for an aroma of creamy sandalwood, amber, lotus flower, orchid, and Bulgarian rose, and silky vanilla. The blend is provocative, that word's nice, but clean and is deep and rich enough to leave you with a sense of pleasure. So let's go ahead and try it out. It's not very strong. I will say I do like how this rollerball actually deposits a good deal of fragrance on you, and there are some rollerballs that are put in so tight that you hardly get any fragrance on you at all, and you have to just like keep rolling it over yourself for like days. This is really smooth. It's not like watery. It reminds me of something I've smelled before. I don't know. But it smells good. I'd probably wear this. It is very springy for sure. So that is the March beauty box from Petit Vour. So we got a fragrance, an eyeliner, a hair jelly, and a micellar water. Overall, I mean, I'm never jazzed about eyeliners, but I like everything else. I'm pretty excited to try this stuff, and I think it was a fairly good box. So I would love to know your opinion. If you get the Petit Vour beauty box, what you thought of it, let me know down below. If you enjoyed the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit that subscribe button. If you'd like to keep up with what I am up to during what I am deeming coronation, just so it's nice one clean word. It's not making light of the situation. It's just making one word of the time period. Anyway, if you'd like to keep up with what I've been up to, you can check out my blog. I'm going to be putting posts up with what I'm getting into, what projects I'm finishing. Just kind of journaling almost the time. It's going to be an interesting time to look back on historically, I think. But anyway, I will talk to you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye!